Hey, this is Alan Palmer from NASDOG.com, coming to you from the office of MrTopStep. Thank you, Danny Riley. Let's touch in on macro here, because Friday here, we've got a lot going on worldwide. From France earlier this week, being ticked off at the U.S. spying again on the Greece talks, okay? Another reason why. Take fundamentals, throw them out the window. Technicals, because someone's always going to know ahead of time, okay? In this case, it's the U.S. France, we've got a lot of violence going on over it. Now, why does violence matter in the world of trading? I'll get to that in a minute, okay? So we got the tail wagging the dog. China up 150% on the year, okay? Yesterday, Thursday, breaks 4% last hour of trading. Today, down 8%. Okay, we're down 19%. We're about to do a bear market. My goodness. Hang on, folks, because this is going to be the S&Ps, which are starting to break right now, today, well, as we film. And watch it late in the day. I'm going to say S&P futures go off at a huge discount, okay? That's just a guess, but just be careful of that. I would not go home long at all. We got a possible, I know, but it's a crash scenario, okay? We're down 19% in China, okay? Let's talk about, what do we got here? S&P late in the day. GLD longs, okay? I touched on this a couple weeks ago. GLD longs are going through massive liquidation, okay? These folks have been long gold from 2006, okay? 2015 now, okay? There's heavy liquidation going on, okay? People hate it. You tell somebody you like gold, people laugh at you, okay? That's good, okay? That's good because that's when it's going to work, okay? That money that's coming out of GLD is going into, I was the one that had the bonds selling it a couple weeks ago up at 167 with the 17 handle roll up for the shorts. They couldn't take it. They blew out of their shorts, okay? Now, the next month, I'm looking at DEES. DEES is actually under SEP, okay? Where's the shortage of bonds? Okay, that was just a one-time event. Now, bonds, I also talked about under 148, possible crash scenario, okay? The GLD guys, the money, the bad money that's making, what are they rolling into? They're rolling into bonds, okay? So we held sideways here for about a week, 2 weeks, okay? Under 148, look out, okay? So now we got a 320% yield up from 225%. We're up almost 50% in yield. You have, I got to touch on the politics one more time. Bernie Sanders, okay, the number 2 Democrat, he has 24% support in, he's got a story. People like to listen to him. But 24% is more than any of the Republicans. Okay, I think Bush has got the WMD guy. Remember WMD? Okay, now we got the Iraqi. The armies are afraid. They're running. Okay, these are the guys that had the WMDs that scared that you're either with us or against us. Okay, enough of politics. Okay, so we got this slow growth here because we're working through a depression. Okay, we have Goldman Sachs's Cohn. Okay, he says we're not ready to come out of the emergency mode here, which means 0% interest rates. Okay, I don't know. That kind of sounds like that $39 crude oil prediction. When my number was 43, I was the guy that had the 43. Okay, 43. And I also called that off 6 weeks ago. And what we've seen since then is longs liquidating and shorts liquidating, okay? And it seems like every time you look at the screen, crude oil is a hair under 60 bucks, okay? Forget crude oil. Let's go to grains. I talked about grains, 502 in the wheat. I'm always early, okay? And I talked about mold, okay? We have had a wet spring, okay? We also had the funds record shorts in the grains, okay? So 502, we came down to 502 and a quarter because people are buying it ahead of my number. Okay, there's some big boys that use this thing. We travel up to $5.70. Okay, I think we got a 12% rally in crude wheat. We have a 10% rally, maybe a touch bit less in corn, which is least. But most importantly, is soybeans, okay? Folks, it's June 26th, okay? Next week is going to be the 4th of July. We haven't even planted a lot of the bean crop. Maybe 3 million acres or more don't get planted, okay? Mold really could become an issue. Now, I also said when corn was up at $8.50, okay, you got funds record short at $3.60. I think you want to fade. Well, those guys are getting annihilated right now. We have, well, France, well, Jesus, you got a decapitated person, my God. Crude oil, okay, so we have nothing in crude oil. Here's one for you. How about an olive line in rare earths? Remember rare earths, 2011, it was all the rage? Give you some numbers on it. In 2011, rare earths were valued at $17 billion. What do you think they're valued at right now? Quick, give me a number. It's $1 billion, okay? I got an olive line buy in rare earths. I don't know how you play it, okay? But I'm just telling you that's how these markets trade. Gold, I like gold. 1135 was my number. I've talked about it in the past. Then 1152. Okay, people hate gold. I don't know. Buy gold. Copper, we're kind of into some support. I had 256 and 251 as support. We got down to 258, touch bit under. That's about it. My problem is I'm always early. This is Alan Palmer coming to you from NASDOG.com, MrTopStep.com.